This video tutorial I will explain what is Gradle. Imagine you are baking a cake. You need ingredients like flour, eggs and sugar. You also need a recipe to know what to do with these ingredients. Now we can think of Gradle as a super helpful baking assistant. Instead of cake, think of your software project as something you are building. Software project made up of different parts like code files, libraries and other things. Gradle is like your magical helper that gathers all these parts and puts them together in a right order, just like you would follow a recipe to mix your cake ingredients. Gradle can handle lots of different recipes for different types of projects. If you are making website, a game or some other kind of software, Gradle can adopt and make sure everything fits together perfectly. Just like you trust your baking assistant to make sure your cake comes out great. Like that, you can trust Gradle to make sure your software works smoothly. Gradle saves you time and helps you avoid making mistakes when putting all the pieces of your project together. So for dummies, Gradle is like your super reliable helper that gathers and organizes all the ingredients you need for your software project. In software project, ingredients are code and resources, and making sure everything is mixed and baked just right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.